Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chris from Omnidek and $500 and an idea. I wanted to give you guys kind of a behind the scenes look at how things get into the production application. So what I was just came from a meeting with a client, and we're talking about something completely separate, but it got me thinking about a potential enhancement to an existing feature of the application. So I want to kind of walk you through what does it take to get a idea into the actual production application. And kind of the tenet of this this little video is to tell you about the value of having a great team behind you, and also letting A players be A players. Right? There's a great saying that there's no I in team, but there is an I in win. And so the quality of people's work and the quality of the people that you surround yourself matter, and their ability to take an idea and then actually get it out and deliver it out into the market. So let's go take a look. So we'll take this idea that I got from the client. I dictated it to myself on my phone and shot me an email, and then I was able to kind of scrub it up, and then now I walk over to our UI UX department and get it effectively put up to a point where we can have a discussion about it. So let's go take a look. Okay, so now we're going to go over to UI UX and check them out. Everybody decent? All right. So this is Cade.
Hey guys.
And Vivek. Cade does UI UX and Vivek does DevOps and kind of oversees the feasibility of the application to scale. What me and Cade are going to do is I'm going to take that document that I put together and we're going to kind of draw it up and whiteboard it. And then Cade is now going to translate that into something really cool and fast, right, and pretty. Those are the core tenets of UI UX. Once we go back and forth and we kind of get the feature to a point of finalization, we are then going to meet and consult with the actual development team. This is where Vivek comes into play. It's about the scalability of the feature, the usability of the feature, how we're going to test it throughout the lifespan of the feature, and all of that kind of plays into just the overall application stability. Now, the other facets of development are the database. That's going to be the engine that's going to actually run the application, and then the front end, which is going to build the actual buttons and the click experience and whatnot. So this whole process, after all that's done, it's going to go into QA/QC and testing and a release schedule inevitably to get in front of the client. That could take a month or two. It could take be part of a larger project. It could take even a year to get in front of the actual end user. But all of this still leans on the fact that you have to be able to have a team that can take an idea, no matter how rudimentary, and then turn it into something that people are actually going to use and enjoy using, and hopefully enjoy paying to use as well. So anyway, so that's the value of having a good team behind you, and it's $500 and an idea. Thanks.